Hello, friends. Do you know what day it is today? Can we figure it out together? Do you remember what the number or the name of the day was yesterday? That can sometimes help figure out what the date is today. But we also do this other thing on our calendar where we have been drawing shapes on our days so that we know when our day is. So, can you see which shape was the last shape that we drew on the calendar? The calendar goes from left to right. So let's see. Purple triangle, that is our last shape on the board. So this will be yesterday and this will be today. What shape do you think we should draw on here so that we can remember what today is? Can you tell what our pattern is? Let's do it together so we can figure out which shape will be the next one in our pattern. Let's go back to the beginning. Orange circle, purple triangle, 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 orange circle. Did you guess orange circle? That's a great guess. So we'll draw an orange circle. And what else do we need to put into our square besides an orange circle shape? What is in the other squares that you see? What can we do to make this square similar to the other squares? It won't be the exact same because we're using different shapes every day and different numbers. Did I give it away? We need a number. So yesterday was 12. That's right. So if yesterday was 12, what do you think today is? What would be your best guess for what today is? What comes after 12? Should we count from the beginning to see if our guess is correct? Let's go back to the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Did you count with me? It's great to practice counting. So let's put a 13 there. Do you know what a 13 is? A 13 has a 1 and a 3. So it has 2 digits, just like the 12, the 11, and the 10, but it's a 1 and a 3 beside each other. That makes a 13. Let's see if we can count backwards. Count with me. Even if you don't know how, it's good to try. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off! So today is 13. So when we say calendar numbers, we say 13th. Put a th at the end of 13. So it is the 13th today. Let's go up and see what day it is. Today is Wednesday. Wednesday, do you see how big this one is compared to all of the other ones? It's a big one. It has the most letters out of all the days in the week. Do you know how many days there are in the week? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in the week. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and today is Wednesday. And it is the longest day of the week in regards to its name, for sure, because it has the most letters. Look at all these letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 letters in this word. That's a pretty big word. Let's spell it together. Capital W, because it's the name of the day. Every name has to have a capital. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y. Wednesday. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y. Wednesday. That's a big word to say. So Wednesday, the 13th on the calendar. Do you remember what month it is? We go all the way up here. We've got it already at the top of the board. January. January. J-A-N-U-A-R-Y. January. And how many months are in the year? Do you remember? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And do you remember how to say them with me? Let's try. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Good job. So we have Wednesday, January 13th, 2021. 2021, however you would like to say that. So our sentence, when we talk about the day, we start it with today is. And then we say what the day is. So today is the first word in the sentence. So it has a capital T instead of a little t because it's the first word of the sentence. So today is Wednesday. So I'm going to print Wednesday. I'm going to start with a capital W because Wednesday is a name of our day. So we always have a name, always has a capital letter. So WEDNESDAY and then a comma. So Wednesday, January. So January is the name of the month. So we start with a capital JANUARY. Wednesday, January 13th. So that's a 1 and a 3, 13, and then a comma. And then the year, 2021. 2021. 2021. And then a period because that is the end of our sentence. Can we say it all together? Will you try it with me? Today is Wednesday, January 13th, 2021. Click the like button and select subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos.